Sabi ni kanina na good morning. Yeah, I can say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yeah, actually, I'm Dr. Susie Chan, optometrist by profession. Until now, I'm still practicing, no? Karong August 6 will be my 41 years in practice. I cannot believe also that I can push through until now. It's because maybe God allows me to join this Freeway International. Because this last 2014, na naman po kay na ko'y daghan problem in my health, no? From lumbar spine to the neck to the leg, all rehabilitation. Daghan kay kung mga prescription, ultrasound, bisan unsa. Ang akong health, grabe na, nag-deteriorate. And I'm already murag na discouraged ako. Haggard na kay ko ato for 2 years, since 2014 when I injected from my lateral knee already, the hyaluronic acid to have the cartilage na kay nang melt na ko no ingon ang doctor. There's no cure. So I was so frustrated, and then na timing ng yun, so grateful that God allows our mentor, Miss Loman Shen, na anha sa akong clinic with my upline, introduced to me this Pertier placenta. At first, I was so hesitant. Kaya nakaingon ko, kung saan man siyang product, I did not know what is it. But when she introduced to me, checking ko na kung sa kanindot, isang kanindot. So, iyang gibilin ang one bottle. And that time, kaya nakaingon ako na, unsa man ni kamahal, bro. I just keep it under the table without letting them know. Until pagbalik niya 2 weeks, iya ko gingan, did you take already the product? I said, no. Why? I said, very mahal. Siya, ha? Very mahal. Doc, you see, you're already at this age. I was already around 58 years old, I think, because I'm now 17 years old. Who will believe me? I'm 17 times 4. 68. Going 70 maybe 2 years from now. So I feel na ang health is so important. Very important in the sense that if we have health, everything will be okay to do the work that we want. Kaya nga, until now, I still practice because I can do it with Pertier. I have no also maintenance as of now. So I just cook every morning. And then lately, nakita na ako na I can still exercise. Since May 11, I started to join with a women's group na gikuan sa Landers parking lot. They are already 17 above. All the women. I also do exercises. I woke up 5:15. I discipline myself. Ang health, bisan mga kay Pertier, but kung wala sa kay imuhang exercise, that's why I said, I can do it. Because naman po nakita na ako na it really got sweat ang akong the whole body. No? So it's very nice that you can work better. In fact, yesterday was Sunday. Morning, I joined the choir. I sang at the church. And then, pag sa uli, trabaho dahil ko, starting cleaning our comfort rooms, three toilet, the bathroom, and the outside. For 3.5 hours, non-stop. Nagsige ko limpyo. Pag human na, I just take a rest, and then I listen sa Zoom, sa mga kuhaan ng worships of CCF. So, I feel na kaya man ako, no? Basta madala lang yun. So, I really like to say na ang kanyang atong product is an amazing product. Bisan duha ka capsule, but it will last long for a day that I can do a lot of work. So, muna gusto ko, ang katungwa pa mo try it Jud. Kaya na-feel din na ako for already 7 years. Until now, we are already taking for free. Praise the Lord, because I have my husband there, always been supporting. So he's already driving the car, pag uli, ako na yung mag-drive. magpuli-puli maming duha. So I can see it na ang kaning ang ano ni join jud ko. Ngano gi-try man gyud okay giingnan ka sa mentor. Doc, you still have a dream. Yeah, I said many dreams. Unsa may akong dream that time? I want a house. I want a car. I want everything na I can travel. Praise the Lord. Na-fulfill na ako through Riway International. So, muna nakaimungkot ko na basta with persistent lang yun, consistently lang yun ang imuhang trabaho, there's no doubt in here. Basta we do it with my heart na ang atong makita na we share to everyone. That's why I keep on practicing my profession is because I want to meet people who come to my clinic and try to share to them. Many are mga patients na ko may kaingkod, Doc, we are getting old but you did not get old. Inko, unsay mong secret? I said, this is the one, fertile placenta. But of course, they always say, maayo man na, pero mahal lang kaayo. I will tell them, is your body mahal or not? I-invest your in body. I did not say that you have to try to buy it now. You just try to, if you have people, you give us referral. I will help you, talk with them, share with them. If naaga ni, then diha na. If you earn, then the product will be yours. The money that will be yours, that to take the product. Akong gituduan. But as of now, di akong Cebuano diri manggod, kuripot jud kay. Inuot jud na. Pero ako jud nagiingnan. Mawala lagi ni siya ang imong kuripot basta kung makasakit na gani mo, diha ko mo makaingon ng tinuod jud. Because I have a patient also, 6 months after, a professor, University of San Carlos, Sir Erwin. Nianha na ako, Edwin. Doc, pwede ba, pag wala sa one bottle, ay partial muna, kaya na mild stroke na. So, muna nang atua, wala pa gamit, kinahanglan mo start na tag-take. So as what in our product, di ba? Prevention is better than cure, di ba? Prevention, recovery, we protect our healthy cell, repair the damaged cell, and then ang kanindot diri kay naay reverse aging. Muna kami, akong husband, still doing exercises because of fertile placenta that will give me alert and energetic. Every now and then we can do a lot of work. Kinsay dili gusto anak, we're becoming younger, handsome, more beautiful. Kinsay dili gusto. I hope everyone will follow. Kaya kita mayon dahil sila, di ka na sila sa fertile placenta ilang gitig. Kaya nga no, ni bata man sila. As third mabasa, diba? As imong wife, right? My husband's also 71 already. Actually. So, makayon ko na ang ato amang diri, proud yun ko na, I give value na yun sa Riway International. When I fulfill my dream, gikan sa naikondo, sa car, and then going abroad. And then from that, nakain ko, I want to ride business class, airplane. Yung pa yung ako husband. Huy, dili tayong anak ka dato, mahal ya kay ng business class. But I did not expect. Last year, from Milan down to Cebu, akong isakay ang business class. Nindot tayo. Pilit mo, ipapakinggan fulfill ang iyong dream. Nindot kayo. So, I'm telling myself na I still have many going places pa na i-travel. So, karon by June, I think, we have planned with my sister lang noon kay she has something to do. I will go to Korea again. So I will go to Korea because I feel also I want that place also. So muna lang ako unsa imong dream atong gibutang sa ulo. Nagbaton gyud nimo kay para ma-feel gyud nimo na ma-enjoy nimo ang life. Yes. So that's why morning, ika 6 day na ako ganina, I thought na di na ko kabangon kay hala kakapoy man kay gahapon ko na work, sobra na kay ko na over. Kay medyo sakit naman akong luyo. But I told myself, no, ayaw pag-ingon na, luya ka. So, matagya kung alas 5, dali. I drove myself to the Landers Park. Dali na kayo. Apiro sa kugsayaw. Apiro ko sila. Yung anak-anak man sa marcha-marcha. Kinsa hindi gusto. Dali kayo na ika 6 day. But I I almost know everything. So, sige, so kadalian mo magtuon. Oh, ibuta lang sa imong ulo na kamao ka. Kaya may uban na dugay na kayo sa luyo, I saw them how they are also exercising, pero very slow, pinaana ito. Pinaana ba rin ang atong movement? Dili man siguro. So, isweat jud na ako, pero lipay kay ko kay I feel na kanang bitaw, you can do it. Na padung nagutag 70 na, gamay na lang duha ka tuig. Kung 70 na ako, makay ko, I will wait until 80 years old or 90 years old with perfume na kanta. Kita lang ang makakita sa atong result. Ma-feel yun mo na. Tinuod ni atong produkto. Wala ni siya mo na. Ma-doubt pa ka. Kaya ma-doubt pa ka na we have already the result. Diba? For 7 years, kung dili ni maayo, I will stop it. But it's very good. Muna na gusto dyan ko na i-share din na ko. Pero kanunay na unsa ni siya. Bahala na may mo silang mahal. Kung may ka mahal, you're not loving your body.
Yes.
Ako ingan, we have a very important na ang atong i-take care of kaning atong body because God give us this as our body to protect ourselves. You just put here ang kana mong siya, boost up our immune system. Muna gina ang atong giinguna. God give us our immune system to have asa pa ng free radicals atong ginaiumit. Ang tanan atong kaon diet we have also to limit. Kay ato na usay mga man sa militsyon, mga man sa miani, di man di pwede, but only i-moderate lang. Kinsa hindi pwede mo kakupit siya with root beer. Umalit man sad me, pero exercise man sad me. Diba? So my husband also brisk walking ang iyaha. Ang ako kay exercise sa morning. So different ang among kwan. Pero at least with all our kuan lang jud bitaw na makita nimo na ganahan lang jud ka na you have to do it discipline. So muna ang ato every Monday usahay man ko one hita, usay kapoy man. No, we have to come because I like to see also the people here. Diba? Makamit, mangguta diri. Muna isting socializing everyone.
Yes.
Kunya mo na dakan kay kaila diri. Yes. Pero sometimes makapil mangguta na. Maybe we'll feel na. Ano, gabalik-balik man si doktora sa iyang story. Na may one first timer, di ba?
Yes.
First timer. So I have to tell my story. Pero kung imong gyud imina akong story from the start, it will take 5 hours, no? Grabe ning akong experience from January to February, March. Sige nang kalarga-larga. Sa galista na ko, asa man ko ato ha? Ganin ka na, di ba? So last January 2023. January 10, sa Kaohsiung, hindi ko malimot. 26,000 eating together.
Yes.
Sa gala dinner. Asa ka kita ng company? Very strong company yun. Na magkuha nimo na ang imuhang tanan ng tao, puro ba nga nindot kaayo, no? All Pegasus ang atong mga Taiwanese. Because they got number 1 in Taiwan. 4 hectares of land. Ilang himo hantong na daghan kaayo mga tao ang akong the whole table do 10 mi ka buo. Nangutan ako, are you a Taiwanese? Yeah. Here's my father, here's my uncle, she's my aunt, puro ilang family. Makaingon ko, wow, muna kayo na number 1 sila. Because they prefer to tell about also business. Muna ato adere, kung pwede, atong istugod na ang business type. Kaya kung product, ano tayo question, unta, no? Kaya kung product ngayon dahil na, mahal man na, may kwarta, muna atong istoryahon, you want to earn, you want the opportunity, okay, dili, na tayo business, dili. Kaya ang ato mag 166,000, ako dyan gipangutara sa bangko, ang ako naman ko yung mga kaila manager, how much is it for dime deposit? Pila naman, 400 pesos. Ato adili, pag-ugma, pila man yung 166, 3,000 up. Diba? Very big na ang amount. But they don't understand. So we have to tell them na kani siya, mahal siya in the sense, kay kausara mong ibulto. But if you keep the money with that much, Pero pag ugma na na kayong anak, makainod yung kabratura. So muna na, itudloan na to ang mga business side. But the problem, ang uban di mo maminaw. So, wala tayo choice. Ang kato, we have to choose the right person. The right person na muminaw na to. Kaya na may uban mang yun na dili muminaw, we just let them try to see and wait. Kung sa ilang nakita. But for me, I keep on moving forward. Bahala na kung may ka ng uban na sometimes they feel that we are pushing them. No, it's just only to let them know na ang kani na kay future. If you try to do it, you will do it successfully with perseverance. Muna akong motto, I always trust the Lord.
Yes.
Na ako'y gibutang, trust the Lord always. Mura ni ako after me, gibutang sa ako, bad. Because I have so many testimonies na naunsa ko, malate na ko sa aeroplano, just 15 minutes na lang, ako dyan pray na, Lord, pasakyan yun me, kaya happy na may mabiyaan. So, muna ni, trust the Lord. Yun na, basta you trust the Lord. Makuha, mag-set the again. So, that's why we do the best. And God will do the rest, no?
Yes.
So, sometimes, I'm sorry ha, kasi I'm Chinese, so ang akong English, sometimes may lungit, or sa Bisaya din ha, but I'm not a born speaker. In fact, before I started Joyway, I don't like to speak yun. Mahadlok man ko, masayo ko. Okay, mag-perfectionist na ba kayo? Kung yung ako mentor, no one will scold you. Try and try. Yeah, until nakariway ko. Kapila na kong tindog diri, pero I'm still nervous ha. So far. So far. Actually, I'm just from the heart kani ako ang istorya to tell everyone that unsay akong na-gain from health to financial tanan rewards I got from Riway. So God be the glory. Good evening, everyone.